Welcome to Jaipur, a city renowned for its blushing pink hues, magnificent palaces, and vibrant culture. But beyond the bustling city walls lies a hidden tapestry of natural wonders woven into this historic landscape. Ancient hills stand as silent guardians, their slopes adorned with resilient flora and echoing with the calls of unseen creatures. Emerald oases punctuate the arid plains, offering sanctuary to a rich diversity of life. Join me as we uncover the breathtaking natural beauty that makes Jaipur a true gem of the Indian landscape. Our journey begins with the Aravalli Hills, a range as old as time itself. Stretching across northwestern India, these hills have witnessed the rise and fall of empires.
Look closely, and you'll see the remnants of ancient forts clinging to the hillsides, their weathered stones echoing with the whispers of Rajput warriors. These imposing structures, like Amer Fort, perched high above the city, were once vital outposts. Today, they serve as a reminder of Jaipur's rich and tumultuous past.
Join me as we descend from the heights of the Aravalli and venture into the heart of Jaipur, where hidden oases await. In the heart of Jaipur, nestled amongst the bustling streets, lies an unexpected sanctuary, Central Park. This urban oasis is a testament to the city's commitment to preserving nature amidst rapid urbanization. A sprawling expanse of green, it offers respite from the city's cacophony. The park's lush lawns and vibrant flora create a serene environment, inviting visitors to unwind and reconnect with nature.
Families gather for picnics beneath the shade of ancient trees, their laughter mingling with the gentle rustling of leaves. Children play freely, their joy echoing through the park, creating a lively yet peaceful atmosphere. Joggers and cyclists navigate the paved trails, their rhythmic movements a counterpoint to the slower pace of life within the park. The well-maintained paths are perfect for a morning run or a leisurely bike ride.
At the heart of the park lies a shimmering lake, its surface reflecting the azure sky above. The tranquil waters provide a picturesque setting, ideal for a moment of reflection or a quiet stroll along the shore. Ducks glide effortlessly across the water, their bright plumage a stark contrast to the deep green of the surrounding foliage. Their graceful movements add to the park's charm, captivating visitors of all ages. On the banks, turtles bask in the warm sunshine, their ancient shells a reminder of the timeless rhythm of nature. These gentle creatures are a favorite among park-goers, who often stop to observe them. Central Park is a sanctuary for both wildlife and humans alike, a reminder that beauty can be found in the most unexpected of places. It stands as a green jewel in the heart of Jaipur, offering a peaceful retreat from the urban hustle. Let us step back in time and immerse ourselves in the Mughal era, renowned for its exquisite gardens and intricate architecture. Nestled on the outskirts of Jaipur lies the Sisodia Rani Garden, a true oasis of tranquility.
Commissioned in the 18th century by Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh II, the garden is a masterpiece of Mughal landscaping. Terraced levels ascend the hillside, each adorned with fountains, pavilions, and a dazzling array of flora.
As you wander through the garden's shaded pathways, you'll encounter intricate frescoes depicting scenes from Hindu mythology. The Sisodia Rani Garden is a sensory delight, where the fragrance of jasmine and roses mingles with the cool spray of fountains. Our exploration of Jaipur's garden sanctuaries continues as we venture to Shalimar Bagh, a Mughal garden renowned for its floral displays and serene ponds. Here, nature and architecture merge seamlessly, creating a symphony of beauty. Beds of vibrant flowers, meticulously arranged in intricate patterns, carpet the ground, their sweet fragrance carried on the gentle breeze. Water plays a central role in Shalimar Bagh, reflecting the Mughal belief in its life-giving properties. Ornamental ponds, their surfaces shimmering like mirrors, create a sense of tranquility. Shalimar Bagh is an ode to the beauty of the natural world, a place where time seems to slow down. Our journey now takes us to the ethereal Jal Mahal, a palace that appears to float upon the shimmering surface of Mansagar Lake. This stunning structure, often referred to as the Water Palace, is one of the most iconic landmarks in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Its unique location and architectural beauty make it a must-visit destination for travelers from around the world. This architectural marvel, its sandstone facade glowing a warm amber in the sunlight, is a testament to the ingenuity of the Rajput rulers. The palace's design seamlessly blends Mughal and Rajput styles, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of the region. The intricate carvings and detailed craftsmanship are a sight to behold.
As you approach Jal Mahal by boat, its reflection rippling in the water below, it's easy to imagine the palace as a mirage. The serene waters of Mansaga Lake create a perfect mirror image, enhancing the palace's ethereal beauty. The experience of gliding across the lake towards this floating wonder is truly magical. Built in the 18th century as a pleasure palace for the royal family, Jal Mahal is a testament to their love of luxury. The palace was designed to provide a tranquil retreat away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Its opulent interiors and serene surroundings made it an ideal getaway for the royals.
The palace is designed to harmonize with its watery setting, with 4 of its 5 stories submerged. This unique feature not only adds to its mystique but also helps keep the interiors cool during the hot summer months. The submerged levels are believed to house beautiful gardens and chambers that remain hidden from view. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the lake, Jal Mahal is bathed in a warm, ethereal glow. The changing colors of the sky reflect off the water, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. This is the perfect time to capture the palace in all its glory, as it stands majestically against the backdrop of a setting sun. We ascend now to Gilbert's Hill, a rocky outcrop offering breathtaking panoramic views of the Pink City. As you climb higher, the air becomes fresher, and the city below starts to look like a distant memory. Named after a British agent, Gilbert's Hill is more than just a vantage point. It's a haven for wildlife. The hill is a sanctuary where various species find refuge, away from the urban sprawl.
As you climb the winding path to the summit, the sounds of the city fade, replaced by the gentle rustling of leaves and the chirping of birds. It's a symphony of nature that soothes the soul. Ancient trees provide welcome shade from the Rajasthani sun. These trees have stood here for centuries, witnessing the changing landscapes and the passage of time.
At the top, you're rewarded with panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see. The horizon seems endless, merging with the sky in a beautiful blend of colors. The Pink City sprawls out below, its streets a maze of pink hues. The city's unique architecture and vibrant colors are a sight to behold from this height.
But Gilbert's Hill is more than just a scenic viewpoint. It's also home to a variety of flora and fauna. The biodiversity here is remarkable, with plants and animals coexisting in harmony. Peacocks strut through the undergrowth, and monkeys swing through the trees. Their playful antics add a touch of liveliness to the serene environment.
Gilbert's Hill is a place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with the natural world. It's a sanctuary for the soul where one can find peace and tranquility amidst nature's beauty. Venturing beyond the bustling city walls, we encounter a landscape vastly different from the verdant oases we've explored so far. Here on the outskirts of Jaipur, the land transforms into a tapestry of resilience. The air is drier, carrying the scent of dust and sand. The sun beats down relentlessly, casting long shadows across the parched earth. Yet despite the arid conditions, life finds a way. Hardy shrubs and cacti dot the landscape, their deep roots seeking out precious moisture. Lizards bask in the sun's warmth, their scales shimmering like jewels. The desert landscape around Jaipur is a stark reminder of the power of nature to adapt and survive. Prepare to be captivated by a symphony of sounds and a kaleidoscope of colors as we venture to the Jaipur Bird Sanctuary.
Located near Mansaga Lake, this sanctuary offers a glimpse into the fascinating world of birds.
Colorful birds flit through the branches, their plumage a dazzling display of nature's artistry. Kingfishers, their feathers a brilliant turquoise, perch patiently on branches overlooking the water. The sanctuary is a haven for migratory birds, offering them a much-needed respite.
The Jaipur Bird Sanctuary is a birdwatcher's paradise, a place to immerse yourself in the beauty and wonder of the avian world.
Our exploration of Jaipur's natural wonders takes us to Ranthambore National Park, renowned for its thriving tiger population.
Ranthambore's landscape is a tapestry of dry, deciduous forests, open grasslands and sparkling lakes. The park is home to a remarkable variety of wildlife, including leopards, sloth bears, and over 300 species of birds.
But it's the chance to encounter the elusive Bengal tiger that draws visitors from around the globe.
Your guide points out telltale signs of tiger activity, paw prints, scratch marks, and the remains of a recent kill.
A hush falls over the jeep as you catch your breath, your heart pounding with excitement. Ranthambore is a place where the ancient rhythms of nature continue undisturbed. As our journey through Jaipur's natural wonders draws to a close, we return to the Aravalli Hills, ascending to Amer Fort. Perched high above the city, its sandstone walls glowing in the fading light, Nahargarh offers a breathtaking farewell to the Pink City. The setting sun paints the sky in a riot of colors, its golden rays reflecting off the windows of the city palace. As darkness descends, the city lights begin to twinkle, transforming Jaipur into a magical landscape. Nahargarh Fort, once a formidable fortress, now stands as a silent sentinel. It's a place to reflect on the rich history of this remarkable city and appreciate the enduring beauty of its natural surroundings. Jaipur is a city that seduces the senses. While the splendor of its palaces and the vibrancy of its culture are undeniable, it is the city's harmonious relationship with nature that truly sets it apart. From the ancient Aravalli hills to the tranquil oases within the city's heart, Jaipur's natural beauty is a testament to the enduring power of the natural world. Whether wandering through fragrant gardens, marveling at a floating palace, or seeking out the elusive tiger, Jaipur offers a journey of discovery. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Jaipur's hidden natural gems. May this journey inspire you to seek out the beauty of the natural world and cherish the delicate balance between humanity and the environment.